Hello everyone.
Welcome to my new video, and today we are going to see further in our project, which is Delivery App Analysis. If you haven't seen my last video, please do watch it, and link you will be able to see upside and even in description part. Just a small recap, we have imported the delivery analysis data and we have created a dates table using the query, and we have added all the tables in a group. Today we will be seeing a couple of things like data modeling, transformation, etc. So let's get started. We have to change column names as it is not appropriate, so let's do that first. In warehouse table there is a column warehouse shortcode which is not correct. We will rename the file properly, store id and store name in store table. For now this tables looks fine. So we have the date time arrived at store in delivery table. But it doesn't look fine as we already have a dates table now, so we will make some changes there. So we will select the column date time arrived at store, go to add column, and then we will select date option and click on date only. So we will be having here a separate date column named as date. We will rename the column as arrived date. In the same way we will split the column and rename as arrived time. We will select the column and go to time options and select time only. So same thing we will do to date time left store, as we will split the column into separate date and time column. We will rename the column as left date and left time. As we have separated the columns, we will remove the column datetime arrived at store and datetime left at store from the table. Here for now, we have transformed the data. So let's close and apply the settings. Now we are in Power BI. Before working with measures and visualization, one important part is remaining, which is the data modeling part. We know to make sure that our tables are related and have proper relationships so that further while preparing dashboard it won't be an issue. So let's move to the data modeling part. We can see here our 4 tables which we have imported, but as you can see there is no proper relationship between the tables. So we are make proper relationship here. First we will arrange all the 4 tables and then we will data model it. So we will take the store id from the store table and drag it to store no of the delivery table. As you can see, a proper connection line has been made between these 2 tables. And then we will take warehouse id from warehouse table to warehouse no column of delivery table. Now it's the time for the dates table, so we will take the date column from date table and drag it to the date arrived column. In the same way we will do for the date left column also, we will drag it. So, .ya currently for this time modeling part is done. Now let's move to the dashboard part. I hope you all have understand till now. If you have any queries, please share your queries in comment section, so that I can explain it in my next video. For analysis and visualization part, we need to make some measures. Basically, measures are calculated columns created by DAX with as data analysis expression, and this measures is very helpful for analysis in preparing dashboard. For this actually I have decided that I will be separate table for this measures, so that there won't be any confusion. You all don't need to worry, in the description below is my website, which is decisionwithintelligence.com, where you all can find the details and DAX formulas for the measures. Even after you are not able to understand, you can add in the comment section. We will create a new table by going into modeling section and add a new table. We will name the table as measures and click enter. Now we can see the measures table has been created. First, we think for the analysis of dashboard we need measure as total deliveries. I just want to know how much deliveries are been made till now, so for that we will make this measure. So we will click on new measure and add the formula for total deliveries. You can find the formulas in the link below in the description. We will use count function for having the total count of deliveries. And now we have added the formula, so we will click enter. So as you can see, we have created a measure named total deliveries. So now how we can use this measure in dashboard. For showing the count we can use the card visual. So from the visualization pane we will select the card visual and click on it. Now we will drag the newly created measure into the field section, and now you can see a new card has been created which is showing the total deliveries. So, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So in the next video we will be going on detail on different types of measures and which type of graphs we can use in it. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.